Hey my harmonies, I'm back again with yet another SHEIN press-on nails tutorial. I have found these really cute but yet affordable $2 press-on nails, and if you guys want to see how I make them last a really long time, then just keep on watching. First, we need to prep our natural nails. That's always a must-have to do. I'm going in with a cuticle softener, and I had got this one at the beauty supply store. You can also get it from Amazon, and all the products that I'll be using in this video will be linked down below. Most of the products I did get from Amazon anyway, like the cuticle pusher and the cuticle trimmer. Pushing our cuticles back and trimming them is going to help with the press-on nail laying more flat. Next, I'm going to be filing my nails, even though they look short already, but personally I notice when my nails are really short and like nubby, the nails last longer. These are the nails that I got from SHEIN. They have an almond shape to them with rhinestones, glitter, and of course snowflakes. These are super cute to wear for this winter season and before the winter season is over. By the way, with these nail stands that I have, they do come with putty so the nails can actually stick on to the nail stand. Because I know a few of you guys were curious from my last video on how the nails stick on to the stand. Next, I'm going to be using a base gel nail polish to apply on top of the nails. This is my ultimate method for the nails to last a really long time. Once I'm done applying the base coat, I am going to be curing them for a minute. I recommend you guys getting two different colored nail stands instead of the same color, just in case if you guys get confused on which nail you just painted. Next, I'm going in with the top coat gel, and that's going to help harden the nail once it's under the UV light. Now to apply the nails, I need to first buff out my natural nail beds. Doing this step is going to help with the press-on nail latching on to your natural nail. I forgot to show you guys which brand I'm using for the nail dehydrator, but everything will be linked below. Using this is going to help remove any natural oils from our nail bed. I noticed whenever I would skip this step, my nails wouldn't last as long. Next, I'm going in with my Kiss Pink nail glue, and I prefer using the pink one instead of the clear one. It just matches way better with our nail beds. I'm applying the glue onto the press-on nail, and then once the glue is on, I'll be sliding my press-on nail onto my natural nail. Then I'm kind of putting the nail on top. I'm just trying to make sure not to get any air bubbles. Once the nail is on, I'm holding on to the nail for about 10 to 15 seconds. Next, I'm going in with my favorite hand cream from L'Occitane. My hands have been so dry during this winter season. This hand cream helps nourish them and it gives my hands more of a glow, a very youthful glow. Lastly, I'm going in with this vanilla scented cuticle oil. With this brand, they have other different scents, but this one is my favorite and my go-to. This cuticle oil helps my cuticles stay moisturized. And that is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this SHEIN press-on nails tutorial, and if you did, give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below what you guys think, and of course subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.